Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please note that this review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring WardenSwap, found at https://www.wardenswap.com. WardenSwap positions itself as a decentralized exchange, or DEX, enabling users to swap various cryptocurrencies without relying on a centralized intermediary. This approach offers potential benefits, including enhanced security and greater control over your assets. However, it's essential to understand the nuances of decentralized platforms before diving in. Navigating the WardenSwap interface, users are presented with a relatively straightforward layout for executing trades. You'll typically select the tokens you wish to exchange, input the desired amount, and confirm the transaction. However, it's crucial to carefully review all details, including transaction fees and the final exchange rate, before finalizing any swap. Decentralized exchanges often operate with varying fee structures, so understanding these costs is paramount. A key aspect of using any DEX, including WardenSwap, is the connection to your digital wallet. This connection allows you to interact with the platform and manage your cryptocurrency holdings. Be sure to utilize a reputable and secure wallet compatible with WardenSwap. Security best practices, like enabling two-factor authentication, are highly recommended when dealing with any cryptocurrency platform. While WardenSwap offers the advantages of decentralized trading, it's important to acknowledge potential drawbacks. These can include price volatility, the complexity of managing your own private keys, and the potential for smart contract vulnerabilities. Thorough research and a cautious approach are advised before engaging with any decentralized exchange. Understanding the risks involved is essential for a safe and informed trading experience. Always double-check the official website address and be wary of phishing attempts.